Here's how to add your card to Apple Wallet in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Apple Wallet lets you store debit and credit cards, make contactless payments with Apple Pay, and pay securely using your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Select Debit or Credit Card, then tap Continue. Use your iPhone camera to scan your card, or tap Enter Card Details manually and type the information yourself. Review your bank's terms and conditions, then tap Agree. Your bank will verify the card. You may receive a code by SMS, email, or through your banking app. Enter the code to finish setup. Once verified, your card is added to Apple Wallet and ready to use with Apple Pay. If your card won't add, make sure your iPhone supports Apple Pay, your region is supported, and your bank allows Apple Wallet. You can set a default card and manage cards anytime from Wallet settings. And that's it. That's how you add your card to Apple Wallet. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.